Hi, so Mickisha came all the way to Trinidad for the hookup. Yes.
Get ready, ready. All my bad girls get ready, ready. We on a mission and we rolling steady. Me and my whole damn clip, we come to have F-U-N.
Going to the Nylon Pool. Hi guys, David, Devin is over there. So there's a glass bottom boat. So you gotta see all of the corals and things like that before you get on. Hours, so we're just going to be here for a couple hours and then get on the plane and go back to Trinidad. So these are the snorkelers, not us at all. I'm doing a video. I'm on my tippy toes. This has never been this high. Oh my goodness. Morning everyone, I'm currently getting ready to go get my hair done. As you saw in the last vlog, I was in Tobago on the Nylon Pool. We took a tight flight back to Trinidad, but we were able to catch our flight to Trinidad. Guys, the Nylon Pool experience, every time I come to Tobago, I go to the Nylon Pool every single time. And I've never had an experience like the one I had yesterday. I'm actually rushing right now, ironing my shirt, but I definitely want to give you guys let you guys know what happened at the Nylon Pool yesterday. And it was partly our fault as well but I'll let you guys know fully. So today I have to go get my hair done, hopefully. This is my second attempt. Also today I have to go and visit the hotel for my travel group for next year, for Trinidad's Carnival 2020. But yeah, and I'm going to, my flight is tomorrow, so this is like my last day with my dad. I didn't plan on doing all this extra stuff, but whatever, I'll do it and get it done. I'll see you guys in the car or a little later on, okay? Stay tuned. So I got my hair done by Angel. I'm just gonna show you guys a few clips. I didn't really vlog the entire process, but let's look at the progress.
Hi, so Mickisha came all the way to Trinidad for the hookup. Yes. So cute. They look nice. Yeah.
So I'm just leaving the Normandy Hotel for the travel group for Carnival 2020. Definitely impressed. Cannot wait for the group. Really, really nice location.
You'll get a nice flavor.
So right now we're in my dad's garden.
Hey, rosemary.
Fresh seasoning for me to take back to Florida with me.
Rosemary. Yeah, this is a nice rosemary. This would get a nice.
So Daddy, tell me what you have.
Rosemary.
Celery.
Parsley.
What
you call this again, right? Yeah, size.
Scallion.
Basil, yeah.
And that's what, celery too?
Yeah, that's celery too.
And shadow benny. Where's hot pepper?
Hot pepper tree.
Oh, the tree.
Look, okay, there's hot pepper here. Hot pepper on the tree. Yeah.
So I'm getting fresh seasoning to take back home with me.
Yeah.
So good morning guys, today's Saturday. It's about 5:38 in the morning. I'm getting ready to go to the airport. Trinidad and Tobago has been great. Donna's not here. Donna is in Guyana. She's meeting David's family. So she's in Guyana. Yeah, so flying solo back to New York. I'm so used to saying back to New York. Flying back to Miami. My flight leaves at 8. So hopefully I can get to the airport by about 6. We're like 10 minutes from the airport, literally. Back in the days, my dad used to drop us to the airport 3 hours before. We used to check in and then come back home and get all our goodies, whatever my dad cooks. Fried fish, curry goat, things like that. Get them hot and fresh and take them on the plane. So when I see you guys again, I'm probably gonna be at the airport. So right now I'm heading to the airport with my dad. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Yes, so I'm not gonna be back here until about November for Donna's wedding. Right now it's 6:07, a bit behind time, but not too bad. I'm never on time, guys, ever. Right, Daddy?
True.
I could never leave on time, but I'm working on it. I showed them how to drive to the airport. Look.
She's going to back boy. When you're going, you go to them back.
And she dropped out so quick.
Yeah.
Well, she couldn't make it across the street.
Nah, she could not make it. She could not make it. We had to stop here for dollars when Dana and him come.
Yeah?
Yeah. They needed like 3 or 4.
I never had doubles there.
I do doubles so. Might have been there, you know.
I'm happy. I ain't get no stomach issues. Well, I never really get, but I was very careful for where and what I ate. Watching cricket on what was that, Thursday? I didn't think 6 o'clock in the morning was gonna be so bright. No wonder you just leave so.
Huh?
I said no wonder you just leave so early.
Yeah, well, this time of the year. It's time of the year that how it is.
Parking lot full.
Yeah, these people waiting to pick up people. The record police just come and just run them and go in the car park. Move. They're going inside and pay that money, you know? There's no parking whatsoever.
So now I'm on the line at Royal Castle, just getting my little brother what he requested. He requested chicken, so I'm getting that for him. I'm going to New York on Monday, so I'll take that for him once I go to New York. Alright guys, so I'm finally checked in. I went through security already. I'm here at the gate and I'm just waiting for the flight to leave. It's been a really good trip. The trip was mostly business, trying to get stuff together for Donna's wedding. I wish I did vlog a lot more, but a lot of the things were personal. But when I do come back in November for the actual wedding, I will be vlogging that, so you guys will get to see that, see more of my family, things like that. So sorry I didn't vlog much, but hopefully I have a good amount of footage to share with you guys. And I have bags under my eyes. I barely slept on this trip. This trip was early mornings, late nights. Spent a lot of time in Tobago, the majority of the time in Tobago. Yeah, they're calling our flight now. So I'll see you guys back in Miami, and I'm going to New York for Christopher's graduation on Monday. Today's Saturday, by the way. So I'm going to New York on Monday for Christopher's graduation. So I might vlog just a little bit, just for my own personal memories and to share with you guys. But that's about it. So I'm gonna close this vlog out here unless something happens on the flight that I want to share. And I'm loving my hair, done by Angel. Thank you, girl. Love this wig. Really, really nice. Unclockable. So loving this look by Angel. I'm happy I was able to get it done. I was supposed to get it done on this Sunday when I got here, but that didn't happen. And I had a bad allergic reaction to a cat at my aunt's house. Gotta talk over. So I had a allergic reaction to a cat at my aunt's house. So my eyes were swollen in Tobago, but it's clearing up now. And I have a lot of bags under my eyes, of course, lack of sleep. But I'm so happy with my hair. Going back home looking fresh. Yes, definitely love it. I figured it was gonna be shorter, but I'm not mad at it. It's a decent length and it's light, it's not too heavy. Comment down below, let me know what you think of the vlog, if you think I should vlog more. I am a bit shy with pulling the camera out, but it'll be okay because I'm using an actual camera to vlog. So I'm gonna see you guys hopefully in New York. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope it was entertaining and interesting. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. Hopefully I'll see you guys in New York for my little brother's graduation. And hopefully I'll vlog again when I come for Donna's actual wedding and I'll be able to share more things with you guys. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Ready, ready. All my bad girls get ready, ready. We on a mission and we rolling steady. Me and my whole damn clip, we come to have you.